What's up guys, Phil here from Furious Technology. To you guys, this might look just like an average carrying case. Well, in fact, you're right. It is pretty much just an average carrying case, but it is actually made for the GoPros, and it's not just a regular average GoPro carrying case. It's an Amazon Basics carrying case, and it in fact has the best ratings on Amazon for a carrying case for your GoPro. So it's the highest rated one, it's the best one that you can get. So why would you get any other one besides this one? Let's check it out. We've got the inside right here where we've got this little netting, which is pretty cool. Store probably memory cards and I don't know, maybe like a granola bar or something. We got this little tag right here, which I think it's kind of annoying actually. I'd probably just rip this tag off. I don't really have any scissors to do it right now. We'll have to do it later. But we've got this little piece right here, which we'll take out. These are all these little padding pieces inside where you can actually store all your stuff in here. So it looks like we can fit 2 GoPros inside of it. Let's take all this stuff out of here so we don't have this in the way. I don't really know what goes in these things here. These look like little battery storage areas. And this one we could probably store another small piece of granola bar. Why not, right? Might as well put it in there. Might as well keep it handy. You gotta have granola bars with you all the time. All right, let's put this stuff aside right here. And let's see how much GoPro stuff we can fit inside of this GoPro carrying case. It better be good if it's rated that high. I mean, if it's no good, then what's the point of having a higher rated item and it's no good? To complete the scientific test, we're gonna need some accessories and GoPros. And here they all are, well, just like that. Well, we've got, looks like we've got 3 GoPros. We've got one GoPro Hero 5 Session, we've got a Hero 5, we've got a Hero 7, we've got a bunch of accessories. So let's go ahead and get started here. Let's start it off with the GoPros. It looks like you can have the GoPros in their actual housing. So let's put this GoPro right in this little housing right here. Throw it down just like that. Come on, close, close, close. Did I push it in hard enough? Let's see. Okay, there we go. Push it in a little bit harder there. Close it. Boom, there we go. Okay, so we've got that one right there. Perfect. Look at that. Check it out. Check it out. That looks really good. Got that sitting in there. We've got another one of these little things here. So let's go ahead and put the GoPro Hero 5 in this one. So we've got the GoPro Hero 5. Let's see if I can get this one closed this time. Boom. First try, just like that. Woo. There we go. All right, let's put this one just down right, boom, just like that, right there, perfect. So we got the 2 GoPros inside of there. Now we got the Hero 5 Session, which probably gonna have to just put in this little accessory pod area here. We've got an extra battery, which we've got a little battery slot, so we'll put that one in the battery slot. We've got the little cover piece for the camera. We might as well put it on one of the GoPros right there. And now we've got a bunch of accessories. I don't really know exactly what's supposed to go into this one right here. I mean, the granola bar, I know exactly what, but we don't have one to test it out. So let's go ahead and put this little mount piece. We'll take this one, we'll throw it, let's see, I don't know, we'll throw it down just like that maybe. I'm sure there's a better way of doing this. We've got a bunch of accessories and stuff right here in a bag that I've already made up. We've got this little clip mount. Let's see, a little clip mount can probably go right here. We've got all these different mounts. I mean, all these slots and stuff like that are pretty cool. This is for the back battery door casing things, but I don't have one to test out right now. But you know what? We can throw all the memory cards and stuff in there, and then we can close it on up. I mean, this little piece is sticking out a little bit. I'll have to probably adjust it a little bit more, but you know what? I'm gonna squeeze it close. Squeeze! Squeeze! All right, perfect. All right, no more squeezing that close. There we go. Boom, we got an accessory case for our GoPros. We can probably store like 4 GoPros in here, bunch of accessories, mounts, cables, all that different cool stuff in there. So yeah, I pretty much like this. I mean, I travel with so much GoPro accessory all the time that it's fun and handy to have a cool case to put all the stuff in, so I don't lose any of those things that I pay a lot for, and there's so many little mounty, little screwy things that we gotta put them all in here and make sure we don't lose them all. But that's gonna wrap up this. I will link this one down below if you guys want to check out what the current pricing is. It is an affiliate link, so you know, got to pay some bills here. If you guys make a purchase, use my link. Thank you very much. But we'll throw this all together and back now into the box. I will link this down below if you guys want to check out the link, check out how much. I will link this down below if you guys want to check out what the current pricing is of this case right now on Amazon.com. It is an affiliate link, so you know I got kids, I got bills, I got to pay bills. So use my link if you can. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate it. Smash that thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.